In a world where simple moments become lasting memories, there's something truly special about shaping your own love story. Every candle tells a story of love, togetherness, and the beauty of crafting something meaningful with your own hands. Our favorite moment is adding the fragrance to the candle made from us. The kitchen starts to smell so nice. As the candle takes form, their warmth and soothing scents envelop you both in a tranquil atmosphere of affection and tenderness. Dankbar. Craft your own story with our candle making set. Create unique memories together. With our premium candle making set, you can share unforgettable moments with your loved ones while creating beautiful, personalized candles together.